Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Explore More and Learn. I hope you all are taking very good care of yourself. You all are keeping yourself safe. Today's video can be very important for you as it's about mispronounced words with silent letters in English. As you all know that it's very important to pronounce correctly in English to convey your meaning clearly, right? And silent letters create a lot of confusion as they are written but they are not pronounced. So in this video today, you'll get very common mispronounced words which have silent letters in them. So just check it out and please watch this video from the beginning till the end. So let's start. So the first word is logically. Logically. It's not logically. Here letter A is silent. So keep it silent and pronounce it like logically. Logically. Okay. Next word is musically. It's not musically. Here also letter A is silent. So pronounce it like musically. Musically. Okay. Next word is bomb. It's not bomb. It's bomb. Letter B is silent here. Another word is climb. Climb. Here also letter B is silent. Okay. So it's bomb. It's climb. Bomb, climb. Another word, dumb. Here also letter B is silent. And usually letter B is silent when it appears after the letter M. Okay. Remember it. So it's dumb and it's thumb. And in dumb letter B is silent and here also letter B is silent. So it's dumb, not dumb. Okay. It's thumb, not thumb. So dumb, thumb. Now the next word is plumber. Letter B is silent here. And in British English letter R is also silent here. So how will you pronounce it? Plumber, not plumber or plumber. It is plumber, plumber, plumber. Okay? Remember to keep letter B and R silent here. Okay? So plumber, 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 not plumber or plumber. Okay? Another word is sandwich. Sandwich. And here, can you guess which letter is silent? Here letter D is silent. So it's sandwich. Okay? It's not sandwich. It's sandwich. Sandwich. It's handsome. So here letter D is silent. So it's not handsome. It's handsome. Handsome. Okay? And here also letter D is silent. So it's grandson. Letter D is silent. Grandson. 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 Do not say grandson. Okay? It's grandson. And it's very common word which is mispronounced often. So it's Wednesday. Letter D is silent here. So it's Wednesday. 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 Okay? Here letter E is silent. So it is pronounced like vegetables. Vegetables. Here letter E is silent here. So how will you pronounce it? Vegetables. Vegetables. Letter E is usually silent when it appears at the end of the word. But here letter E is silent here and you'll pronounce it like vegetables. Okay? Another word is ghost. Ghost. So here letter H is silent. So it's ghost. Ghost. Now this is another word which is very common but mispronounced. Here letter L is silent. So we pronounce it like almond. It's not almond or almond, it's almond. Almond. Okay? Another word is hymn. It's not hymned. Here letter N is silent, so we pronounce it like hymn. Hymn. As we pronounce him, H-I-M, in the same way we pronounce this word also like him, not hymned. Now the next word is cause. Here letter R and P are silent, so you'll not pronounce it like corpse or corpse. It is cause. Cause. If S is not there, then you'll pronounce it like co. If S is there, then you'll pronounce it like cause. But letter R and P are silent here in British English. Okay? Now, this word is pronounced like deceit. Letter P is silent here, so you'll not pronounce it like deceit. You'll pronounce it like receipt. Receipt. This is hasten, not hasten. Letter T is silent here. So it is pronounced like hasten. Now this word is soften. Letter T is silent here. So how will you pronounce it? Soften, not soften. Okay? Again, letter T is silent here. So you'll pronounce this word like bustle. Bustle, not bustle. In this word, letter R and T are silent. So you'll pronounce it like rapport, not rapport. Okay? Not rapport. How will you pronounce it? Rapport. 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 So these were a few words, a few common words which are mispronounced with silent letters. I know there are many more words which are mispronounced and have silent letters in them. If you know about them, then please mention them in the comment box below. I'll wait for your comment. And don't forget to like this video and don't forget to share it with your friends and family members. And if you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please subscribe it by pressing subscribe button below, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notification for the next video. Very soon I'll bring another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.